Okay, since the last time we were here, I fitted this door. Before you fit the door, you must put the A-post rubber in. Because there's all too many different types of rubbers and seals, the door starts to get a little bit tight when you close it, but don't worry about that. As long as it's not over tight, it will work in. What you can say is once the rubbers are all fitted, you have to allow probably about 4 to 5 months for them to seat properly so that the door closes nicely.
And did this door come from the original car?
It just needed to be repainted, and all I'll do is put some wax oil inside it to protect it. See, that's original, but on that car I tailor fitted it so it would be nice and square.
And you fitted those quarter lights as well, didn't you?
I fitted the quarter lights, yes. And the nice thing about this car, it's all the original glass and chrome, and I would say 95% of it is excellent.